भाई खाना देना कोई जुर्म तो नहीं है।
हाँ। उसकी हद तक कहा कि आगे आप ही इन्वेस्टिगेट।
नहीं मतलब खाना किसी ने किसी को पिला दिया, खिला दिया या पानी पिला दिया, वो तो कोई जुर्म नहीं है ना। अभी रिकमेंडेशंस क्या दे रहे हैं हमें? फिर ये भी पढ़ लेते हैं। ये खत्म हो गए ना इनके टोटल टर्म्स ऑफ रेफरेंस?
जी, टर्म्स ऑफ रेफरेंस खत्म हो गए सर। एंड देन द कंक्लूजन्स, पेज 138 ऑनवर्ड्स।
किधर से आप पढ़ना चाहते हैं?
फिर
कंक्लूजन
पेज 138। हाँ,
138 ऑनवर्ड्स ये कंक्लूजन्स हैं सर, एंड रिकमेंडेशंस आर एट पेज 143। जी, इसमें अब let me, if I can just go through, we don't need to go through all of them, but we can just eliminate which I need not read, and then I can turn to which
how can they give individual responsibility to a politician like Mr. Rana Sanaullah? He's not a bureaucrat. He doesn't get paid out of the public exchequer. वो तो उनका काम है to monitor, to contain. वो सारा लग रहा है उनसे कुछ किसी को, या तो उनसे कोई दुश्मनी हो गई है इनसे।
Sir, page 145 and from paragraph 9 onwards.
Paragraph?
9 is also something is vague. For paragraph 10. Again,
page?
The page sir 145, the typewritten page 45 and the handwritten 146. So paragraph 10 and then 11 onwards, sir. 10 is a general statement the government.
The recommendation शुरू होते हैं page 143.
जी 143 से start होते हैं.
Now let's see what profound statements are made in these recommendations.
Sir, the Constitution of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan is the supreme law.
Profound statement.
जी, demarcating spheres of functioning of all organs of the state and rights and duties of the state and citizens. All laws, rules and policies have to be in conformity with this basic document. Constitution being a social contract binds people with the state. Therefore, imperatives of the Constitution should be followed for a public order in the country. 2.
Now, this is a recommendation.
Yeah.
This is a statement that should be given to class 5 children, which is being filed in the Supreme Court. Next, 3.
Trichotomy of power is the basic feature of the Constitution, regulating the functioning of each organ of the state within its own orbit. Maintenance of public order is the exclusive domain of the executive. Therefore, is required to be left to the executive to be dealt with. Dabbling by other organs in others' areas may be avoided.
Profound.
3. Governance and law are interlinked. Article 4 of the Constitution of Pakistan unequivocally emphasizes that all acts of the functionaries should be in accordance with law. Accordingly, all functionaries of the state derive authority from a provision of the Constitution or law and rules framed thereunder. Therefore, cannot deprive any citizen of his or her vested rights save in accordance with law. It is therefore essential that functionaries of the state must bear this aspect in mind while exercising authority. It is high time all understood the supremacy of the Constitution, and to be out of woods, they need to maintain equilibrium as enshrined in the Constitution of Pakistan through collective wisdom. 4.
Be out of the woods. Which woods? The woods of the Constitution.
4, sir. Rule of law is one of the guiding principles of good governance. Tragically, rule of law is missing, thus leading to poor governance, negating the Constitution amid claims to uphold the rule of law. This cannot be ensured by mere lip service, but courage of conviction and working within the orbit of the Constitution with no extra constitutional role to any functionary of the state. Therefore, all must operate within the boundaries set by the law. 5. Terrorism is an to achieve political objectives. Therefore, has to be dealt with like any other organized crime. Laws and policies to combat organized crime are very clear. Zero tolerance is the policy. With anti-terrorism laws and policies in hand, one fails to understand what stops the state apparatus to take decisive action. In this context, the role of the law enforcing agencies at federal level and provincial levels are all well defined. All have to act in unison without blame game. They have to understand that they all sail in the same boat. In case the boat sinks, all on board will also be drowned. Unfortunately, both the federal and provincial governments are evasive, trying to wash their hands off by passing the buck to each other.
The only buck that has been passed are by the members of the commission.
More so the government of Punjab. They must act promptly under the Constitution, Anti-Terrorism Act 1997, Anti-Money Laundering Act, Prevention of Electronic Crimes Act, the Actions in Aid of Civil Power Regulation 2011 and National Action Plan as a team to counter terrorism and to maintain public order. 6. There is a need to understand that militant groups pursuing a grand objective of imposing their own model of Sharia use all tactics, including terrorism and negotiations, to achieve their ultimate goal. Reared in transnational ideology, they seek inspiration from the existing role models. They now openly vow to continue the struggle for the establishment of their own model through violence. Unfortunately, the government, as always, is only trying a quick fix rather than addressing the root cause. Such a tendency has never worked in the past and will not work in the future. If at all,
article likhne akhbar mein.
Yeah.
This sounds like an article in a newspaper, not a job assigned to a commission. I've headed many commissions. The Quetta Commission में exact चीजें बता दी, ये कर दो, और उसे इनसे जल्दी कर दिया. वेबसाइट पे आज भी रिपोर्ट पड़ी हुई है, आप उठा के पढ़ लें अगर आपको समझ नहीं आता कि कमीशन का काम कैसे करता है. ठीक है, ये ऐसे करना है काम. कोई आप स्पेसिफिक इंक्वायरी करें. ये तो ऑफिस से निकले ही नहीं. ये कहाँ बैठे थे ये लोग?
So they were housed in, I believe, Ministry of Interior, I think.
यहाँ से हिले
नहीं सर.
जबकि एक सुप्रीम कोर्ट का जज बॉम्ब मेकिंग फैक्ट्री तक गया. बड़े लोग हैं, ब्यूरोक्रेट्स हैं, रिटायर्ड ब्यूरोक्रेट्स हैं. उन्हें रिपोर्ट दे दी, कहा था कि रिपोर्ट दे दो, हमने दे दी रिपोर्ट. एसरटेन भी कर दिया, डिटर्मिन भी कर दिया, रिकमेंडेशंस भी दे दी, सब कुछ कर दिया. तो ये पता नहीं क्या कर रहे हैं, अंग्रेजी लिख रहे हैं बस. वो भी गलत. मुहावरे पे एक मुहावरा के ऊपर दूसरा मुहावरा, तीसरा मुहावरा. कलेक्टिव विजडम, वाटर ओवर द ब्रिज. I don't know what this is. We all have to act in unison without blame game. Profound. They all have to understand that they will sail in the same boat. Another profound. इधर से उठा लिए घिसे पिटे मुहावरे, बस सबको जोड़ करके रिकमेंडेशन बना दिए उन्होंने. Wash their hands off by passing the buck to each other. भाई बताओ ना, ये किया वो किया, कुछ तो बता दो ना. More so the government of Punjab. More so the government of Punjab. Very good. Seven पे आ जाइए.
Such events should not be looked in isolation but be analyzed in its